Now we go into our CSS folder, open core.css, and we start with the white character to apply definitions for all of the elements on the page. Margin 0, padding 0, border will be none. Then we have outline none. We'll have color set to FFF, which is white. Text decoration, we don't want any, so none. Then we go for the body tag. Body will have font family. We're going to make it very easy. Arial, Verdana, sans serif. After this, we have font size, which will be 14 pixels. Then we go for the line height, which will be 21 pixels. With the line height, we have text aligned to the center. Padding will be 30 from the top and bottom, 0 from the left and right. Now we have background, and we're going to apply the color 222 to it. Okay. Next, we're gonna go for our wrapper tag. Wrapper width will be 800 pixels. Text align will be left. We'll have margin of 0 and auto. Then we go for navigation. Navigation will have width of 250 pixels. Text aligned to the left as well. We have to define it twice, even though the parent tag has it already defined, but Internet Explorer simply won't read it, and all the links will be centered if we don't apply this text align to the navigation itself. So now a navigation tag is now down. Now we're going for navigation LI, and LI tag will have width of 230 pixels. As you can see, it's 20 pixels left than the width of the navigation itself, the container, the UL tag. Then we'll have, actually to the navigation, we can also add several other things like list style none. Then we have overflow hidden as well. And padding 10 pixels from the top and bottom and 0 from the left and right. Our navigation LI will also have margin bottom 1 pixel to make these lines actually between each item. Okay, after this one, we go for navigation LI. I'm just going to copy this, paste after LIA. Both of these elements will have float left and background 1, 1, 1. Now we go for our A tag, so navigation LIA, which will have display block, will have width of 190 pixels, padding of top and bottom 5 pixels, left and right 20 pixels. Then we have WebKit, border top right radius will be 15 pixels to make this rounded edges when you mouse over. Then we have WebKit border bottom right radius will also be 15 pixels. Then we go for Mozilla border radius top right, which will be 15 pixels as well. Then we have Mozilla border radius bottom right, which is also 15 pixels. And then we go for CSS3 definition, which is border top right radius will be 15 pixels and border bottom right radius will be 15 pixels. So that's LIA. Then we go for navigation li.active A, which will have a different padding. So padding will be 5 from the top pixels, 20 pixels from the right, 5 pixels from the left, which is exactly the same as the previous one, and then 40 pixels from the left. Okay, after this we go for navigation LI first, then navigation LI first A. And what we're going to have here is WebKit border border top left radius will be 15 pixels. Then we go for Mozilla definition, border radius top left will be 15 pixels as well. And then CSS3 definition, border top left radius 15 pixels. Okay, if I copy all this, and now I'm going to apply very similar definition for the last one, last, then we're going to have to replace border top. It's going to be bottom, then we have top left, bottom left, and obviously border bottom left radius here. Okay, our CSS file is now ready. So if we go save the file, go to our browser, refresh the page, you can see our navigation now looks the way it should. So let's move to the next video and start adding this animation to it.